Hey, this is Adam with the Solar Truth. Welcome to my home office. Filming here today because of the coronavirus apocalypse that we're going through. I actually own a rock climbing gym, but I had to shut it down today because of that for a couple weeks at least. And my pug Butters is in the background there. She might be making some noise. I'm actually here today because a lot of friends that own businesses or houses have been asking me about like kind of ridiculous charges they've been getting. So, I've done some other YouTube videos analyzing batteries and roof tiles and stuff like that. And what my kind of specialty is, I have an electrical and a solar contractor's license, and I've analyzed thousands of rates over the last 10 years, constantly, and figuring out how to get people the lowest cost and not, give all their money to SDG&E or SCE. And SDG even, they actually talk about demand matters. And have a website, Understanding Electric Demand, and that's kind of good information. They show you that kilowatt hours is your total energy you're consuming, and then your peak demand at one time is called kilowatts. So like this, for example, would be, your total energy, all the kilowatt hours that you used powering your refrigerators, lighting, all this stuff, and you have one charge for that. And then your peak kilowatt demand charge is like, everything is on at the same time. What did it get up to? What level? That 15-minute interval is that charge there. So those two charges combined, specifically commercially, give you your crazy high bill. But you can throw all that data. If I'm able to get into the account and get into that data, I can compile it into spreadsheets and put it in a chart like this, and get all that data lined up where I have the max demand charges and the total energy, and then look at the demand profile and see the different power used during different times. This one is particular modeling kind of how solar would work with it too, but you don't even need solar. You can just, change lights, put timers on air conditioners, do different things that can help, but you need to know when you use it, when the problem is, and that takes all of this analyzing. So SDG&E doesn't help you with that. They don't want you to actually pay them less. They want your money, but they want you to use less energy and help them. So a win-win for them. But I can help people for free analyze all their data, compile it all, and then once I see your max demand, it's like, okay, is that all your lights turning on at the same time? Is that refrigerators, air conditionings? What can we do to lower that to reduce your cost? And then when we can do that, I could look at a rate change. And I don't know if you noticed that, but we have, $27,000 a year down here in the bottom right. And switching that rate, after I analyze all that, $9,000 bucks. I just saved almost $20,000 doing that, and that I did that for free. So not changing anything. I can actually save even significantly more doing other things too. Like this might require timers or some things too. Might not. That's what this analyzing has to be done to do that. So anyway, when you're looking at like a facility, you have like tennis courts, pool, just various different things that you got to look at and see like, okay, can we switch the pump out? Can we change timers on the lights or just turn them on at different times, or the pump? What can we do to reduce these costs? So that's what I'm here to do, and that's what I can help with. So please contact me at the Solar Truth, and I can help you out with this at no cost, and see how much you can save on your bill. Sometimes it's nothing, but most of the time it's definitely at least some money, and in some cases 50 to 80% savings. So it's really significant. And yeah. So again, this is Adam with the Solar Truth, and please let me help you out. Not give all your money to SDG&E or Southern California Edison. Mainly in Southern California is where I do this, because that's where I live. Please click the links below to watch my other YouTube videos, and send me your contact information so I can help you save money on your electric bill, whether it's residential or business, and analyze the usage. And hope to see you soon.